In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to generate unlimited videos using Grok AI all for free. If we go to the Grok website, as you can see right here, you can no longer generate even the 6-second videos that Grok used to give for free. You can no longer do that. You either have to pay $10 or you pay $30, any of this. And if you want to go for a business account, then you need to pay more. So it's either you pay $10 to start generating a 6 seconds videos, or you pay $30 to get access to the whole of the Grok AI platform. But in this video, all you need is to use this website I'm giving you, and you'll be able to use Grok AI to generate videos for free. So the first thing you want to do, let me just show you the video I generated recently with this particular platform. This is the video that I generated using the Grok AI for free. So all you need, I will link it, the link to the website, I will leave it in the video description as well. So just go ahead and click on the link. It is geminigen.ai. That's the name of the website, geminigen.ai. Just go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you ask you to sign up for an account. So sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you have to come in here, or inside the studio, you need to come in here to where it says video. Click on the video gen option, and once you click on the video gen option, you have these different models right here. You can use Veo, you can use Grok AI, you can use Meta AI, and all of this, but I decided to use the Grok AI, so I just go ahead and click on the Grok option. And then the next thing right here where it says model, we'll go ahead and select, because we have selected Grok AI already here. It's going to be Grok right here. So you can see that we're using it for free. And then for the generation mode, we're going to stick to the normal mode. Then the next thing is to go ahead and paste your prompt right here. So just go ahead and get your prompt. I'm not teaching you how to get prompts, but if you want to learn how to get the prompts that you use to generate this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a separate video on how to go about that. Then after you pasted your prompt, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down here and choose the size. For here, the orientation of your video. So I'm going to be using the portrait option. If you want landscape or square, any of this, you can go ahead and do that. I'm using the portrait option, which is the 9:16. And then the resolution, you are going to choose, I'm choosing the highest here. And then the duration, I'm going to select the 6 second. After specifying all of this, everything you need, all you need to do is just to go ahead and click on the generate with Grok right here. You can see that we have 10 free credit that they give us after we signed in, and here it says that the generation will cost us 0 credit. So we'll just go ahead. You see that you're generating that for free. Go ahead and click on the generate with Grok, and it will ask you to prove that you're human. Go ahead and check this, and that is it, guys. So right here you will see that our video is being generated right here. So you can see right here, these are the specification Grok video, and you see that our video is still being generated in the background. And because I just recently generated the video, that's why you're seeing this prompt. So if you just give it a space of, let's say, 10-20 minutes, you should be able to generate another video. So if you are looking for a free way to generate video using Grok, this is one of the ways you can do that. And remember, there are other models right there. So it's not just about Grok. You can use Veo, you can use Meta AI, you can use Kling, all of this of different options. So here, this is the progress so far. Our video is being generated, you can see. So let's just give it some. Okay, we're almost there. All right, so we're almost there. The video is being generated, so 75%. I think we should be up and running right now. Let me just go ahead and see what's going on right here. So just give it a few minutes and all of that, and then the video will be up and running. So the video is being generated. I'll show you in a moment the result. By the way, guys, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really want to get at least 1,000 subscribers and above. So we are just trying to grow up this channel, and we'll be creating more videos like this. So if you are enjoying our content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this. And for some useful resources, you can check out our bio. Check out the bio for some useful links that you can use to help yourself when it comes to making money online, creating content, and building or learning a new skill. This is the right platform to be. So check out the links in our bio, and you'll be able to do that. Okay, so this is taking longer than I expected. They are finalizing the video. The first one didn't take this long, but let's just wait and see. All right, guys, so the video has already been generated. So all you just need to do is to refresh this page. So if it takes longer, you can see it's already generated. All you just need is refresh the page. And once you refresh the page, at the top here where it says history, go ahead and click on history if you want to see all of the videos you've generated. So this is the recent one we just generated. I'll go ahead and click on it. And once I click on it, this is the video we just generated. And you can see how clean this video is. There is no watermark. There's no watermark. So once the video is playing, just click on these three dots right here and go ahead and click on the download option, and you can save this to your system and you can upload it or start editing it however you want. Then another feature that comes with this is the video extension. If I go back to the studio, you see here where it says extend video, click on it. Once you click on it, open your video history right here. And once you open your video history, you can go ahead and select any of the videos you've created. So once this loads up, you can select any of the videos you've created. And once you click on the select option, then you have the option to extend the video. So once the video is selected right here, you just go ahead and add a prompt here to extend this video. If you want me to make an extensive video on how to extend your video using this same Gemini Gen.ai, then let me know in the comment section and I'll be able to do that for you. I hope you've learned something new. Go ahead and try out this for free and start generating your videos every now and then. If this video is helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share these videos with others. I'll see you guys in the next video.